Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your TikTok network problem or no network connection in TikTok. So how can you solve this problem? In this video I will show you that. So for that you need to check at first your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You need to check it's working or not. If it's working, then you need to move for second step, and for that you need to open your Play Store. Then you need to find out TikTok. After find out TikTok, you need to check your TikTok application is updated or not. There you can see your TikTok is updated, and if your TikTok is not updated, make sure it's updated. Okay, after that what should you do? You just need to go your phone settings, and now you need to find out apps or apps management option. So there you can see here it's apps. Just open it, then go to manage apps option. After go to manage apps, you need to find out TikTok from here. Where is TikTok? You just need to find it. So there you can see this is TikTok. Just open it, and on the bottom you can see option clear data. There you can see clear data. Just select it, then you can get a option clear cache. Select it, then select OK. That's it. Now you need to open your TikTok, and then you can see your TikTok network problem or no network connection on TikTok. This problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.